so 8:30. Go to the 8. About halfway. And straight down. I can go straight down. All right. 8:30. So again, es la or son las? Son las. All right. Do I say ocho or nueve? Ocho. Menos or y? Y. So that's 8 y. And then 30 is going to be media. So, you have to remember for your quiz on Friday that 30 and 15 are outlawed. Okay, which is difficult for some native speakers. Okay, so we're not going to use 30. Okay, we're not going to use 15. Okay, we'll use media, halfway. So we're saying it is half past and quarter till or a quarter of the hour. Okay, so that's 8:30 for 8:30. All right. Now let's go to some hard ones. Everybody have that? No questions? All right. Next one. Now is when we're trying to decide whether it's es la or son la, so it's really close. Okay. So you guys tell me for this next one. Okay, so my time is what? 12:45. 12:45. Okay? So 12:45, it's almost 1. Okay? Am I going to say es or son?
Es.
Because it's closest to 1 o'clock, I say es. Okay, so now I go to es la. Es la una. Notice this is an A. The hour will be an A. If it's a minute, you go masculine. We'll talk about that in a second, or somebody remind me. Okay? But the hour is always feminine. Okay? Es la una menos cuarto. Es la una menos cuarto. ¿Bien? ¿Comprenden? All right, which is 12:45. Okay, anytime it's past the 30-minute mark, I go to the next hour, subtract minutes to that hour. It's closer to 1 o'clock. All right, let's try another time. Okay, now, go with this. Okay, now what time is it? So I have 1:55. Do I say es la or son las? Okay, why is it son las? It's 1 o'clock. Well, I'm not saying son las. Closer to 2. Can't trick you guys. Okay, son las. Dos menos cinco. Okay, I'm going to change it a little bit now. So that's dos menos cinco. Now let's say it's almost, it's right there on that border. Just a minute away now. Okay, so instead of cinco, what would I say for minus 1? All right, awesome. Okay, so instead of una, menos uno. It's uno because it's minuto. Minuto is masculine. Minutes are masculine, hours are feminine. The only number that will change is the number 1. Cinco will never become cinca. Comprenden? Only number 1 is changing. Now I'm going to blow your minds a little bit. Okay? This next part will not be on your quiz or test, but you might see it in a sentence. In a sentence, okay, you might have the word minutos after it. Okay, so if you have it in a sentence and you have a masculine word after it, you'll actually lop off this O. Okay, so you say son las dos menos un minutos. ¿Comprenden? Okay, not going to test you on that, but just if you see un, okay, it's because it's in a sentence. Okay, and you have a masculine noun after it. Okay, all right, that's excellent. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to practice on your PDFs 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and it'll take you through this step by step. Okay, and see if you learned it or you didn't learn it. Okay, so we're going to try to get through 4 PDFs during this class period. Okay, if we get them all done, we have no homework. ¿Comprenden?